Well, what's going on, everyone? It's 2022, and tomorrow is our first trading day with GME and AMC, of course. Let's go ahead and take a look at Fidelity's probability calculator, and let's see what it thinks we're going to open up the year with. Hope everyone had a great New Year's Eve, and get ready, because if you thought this was over, no, this is just the beginning. We're going to keep trucking forward, and we're going to report on reality. And we're going to do it as quickly as possible as it comes out. And I'm going to try to work on doing things a little bit more clearly and concisely this year. I'll slow it down a little bit. Maybe won't go full autistic with 1,300 videos this year. But look at this options chain. We have literally no support or resistance. We have no resistance whatsoever, comparatively speaking, to what we've seen. Now, hopefully this doesn't change in the morning, but as of right now, the biggest resistance is out at 200 bucks. We have support all the way out at 155. So we'll have to wait and see what happens. What's weird, though, is I don't see an in the money, out of the money gray shaded area here, which is weird. But again, very bullish looking chain here. So anyways, that's, good to see. What's the price at now? 148.39 is where we closed, and we have resistance. Jesus, I am a little bit too baked, I think. Anyways, resistance at 200, 2036 OI at the 200 strike, but we have 1024 at the 155 strike, which is above the current price now. So as we all know, there's liquidity is an issue, right? So this is easy to see what's going on here. Now, granted, this does not change. Very bullish outlook for the week. So take that for what it's worth. Let's see what the probability calculator thinks for tomorrow. January 3rd. Hey, look at that. A slightly higher than normal chance based on the bullish looking options chain. What do you know? 55-28% chance above and a 44-72% chance below. Typically it's about a coin flip, so hey, take it. Take it and run with it. Now let's look at AMC, because again, AMC is relevant. Change the date though. So AMC about the same, 54-15% chance above and a 45-85% chance below. What I'm really interested in though is to see if the options chain looks the same. So what I'm looking for here, when I'm looking at the options chain, what I look for is my eyes just take note of the dark shaded areas, right? I basically ignore everything else. I basically, if I see a void of gray shaded area here, it's a void of all support and resistance, the way my brain works. So what I'm looking at here is, again, similar situation to GME. Where's the price at now? 27.2. Where's the support? 23. We also have some at 29. Does the support outweigh the resistance at 29? Not quite. So there's slightly more resistance built into AMC than GME, but again, this could update tomorrow. The liquidity resets for the FICC as well as some other entities, so we'll have to wait and see what happens. So don't take this for what it's worth. I'm basically just doing this video to say hello and, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, all that good shit. And to look at the probability calculator, which we already did. So anyways, that's your outlook for tomorrow. I'm excited to get this year kicked off, and yeah, hopefully we learn a lot together. And I'll try to be a little nicer, I promise. Have a good one. Talk to you soon.